Holy cow, that was a close call. A leaning tree like that is a major hazard. It's essential to evaluate the risks before trying to take it down, and always use the right methods and tools. This could have ended much worse. Witness the artistry of Japanese woodworking as a sawmill transforms a colossal 300-year-old elm log into flawless planks. The sawyer's expertise is evident, but the saw doctor's meticulous blade preparation ensures precision cuts, reflecting Japan's pursuit of perfection. The resulting planks are a testament to this dedication, their beauty surpassing all expectations.